colors. I use the Ion Brights, and I use in the color Shamrocks, and I use the like the crazy loud colors. Like, this is perfection. It takes no, and that is what I got. And you can see some highlights and lows. Don't get it twisted. It's Joker bright, but it's not quite as bright as it came off. Okay, right here I'm just gonna be using some of my anti-frizz serum. This is the next day after the hair has dried. I let it air dry, and I'm just spraying it on there to protect the hair. And trying this method was fun. So even though this color may not be everybody's cup of tea, just like you know, take what you can from the video, from the styling, and check out this wig. Like, this wig is just, you know, literally I am spraying some of that spray on there, and then I am using my wand curlers to curl the hair. And like I said, y'all, this hair is phenomenal. It is so nice. This is some really, really nice hair. I am never disappointed when it comes to Dolago hair. They always come through. I don't know if I'm saying that right here. I'm just, you guys can see right here that this lace is perfection. I did not tweeze this hair. Here, the wig to my skin. Like so. And so I did my makeup, and now I am trying to figure out what way I'm going to be styling this unit. And I was like, ooh, Lord, this hair is green, honey. You are the Joker, okay? And